Hey guys, I'm back, and if you've already forgotten me, this is Digital Reg back on YouTube after quite a while. Yeah, I've had an unexpected vacation, but well, what's important is I'm back, and I have a pile of new products that needs to be unboxed. And so I'll be doing several unboxing videos here on YouTube. And the first product that I need to unbox today is the new Samsung Galaxy A50s. Yes, we've had the original Samsung Galaxy A50, which was sent to us last summer, and this a mid-range phone that acts like a high-end phone. It has a lot of high-end features only for the price of a mid-range phone. And I love this phone so much. I used it as my backup phone during my Taipei trip, and when my main phone comes out, I use this as my main phone for the rest of the trip. And actually, I used this as my main phone for the rest of the month until I went back to my old Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is a very reliable phone, and I love it, and this is the reason why I'm still keeping it with me. And lo and behold, Samsung sent us a new Samsung Galaxy A50s. So in just a few months, they have already come up with a refresh of this popular phone. Now, this comes in a special package because I'm gonna tell you why it comes in a special package. But you know what? Let's go ahead and unbox this right now so we can find out what's inside this special packaging of the A50s. So here we go. And let's see what's inside. Oh, alright guys. What's inside this special packaging of the A50s is, of course, the phone itself, the Samsung Galaxy A50s, and I'm surprised by this, a Samsung Galaxy Fit E. Well, I've been wanting to have a Samsung Galaxy Fit device for quite some time now, and it's finally here, you know. See what the Galaxy A50s looks like. So this is the packaging, all right. And you guys might be wondering what's the difference with the newer A50s than the previous A50. Well, it's just it's a refreshed version of this popular mid-range phone from Samsung. So it still has the same. I believe it still has the same screen size at 6.4 inches with full HD plus resolution with Super AMOLED screen display. Used a different processor, and they're now using a newer Samsung Exynos processor. So it now comes with an improved triple rear camera system composed of 48 megapixels, 5 megapixels, and 8 megapixels. So the camera has been bumped up. The front camera now at 32 megapixels, that's also been bumped up. And everything else remains the same. It still has 128 gigs of storage with expandable up to 256, I guess, with a micro SD card. It still has 6 gigs of RAM. It still has 4,000 milliamperes of battery capacity. And this is the Samsung Galaxy A50s. I'm going to compare this side by side with the original A50 in a while. Let's put this over there. We have the Samsung fast charger here. You have the USB cable over here, and of course a pair of earphones right over here. That's the simple packaging of the A50s, similar to the original A50. And here we go. And what a beauty. You know what? Alright. So I have this is the A50s and this is the A50. Sorry, that's when paired side by side, you wouldn't see the difference. Alright, they're exactly the same. On the A50, on the other hand, only has a plain color, plain design. Doesn't have any design actually. The A50s, however, has this prism design, which is more trendy, and although this one has a more subdued colored colorway, and this one is called crushed blue, and actually I like it. But you know, if you're looking for a more colorful variation, there's another one, prism crushed green color that you can opt for. This one is the prism crushed blue rather, and the other colorway is the prism crushed white, and I actually like this color. So I've already took a couple of sample photos using the Samsung Galaxy A50s. As you would see on your screen, any photo taken under decent lighting condition, or any good lighting condition, will generally give you very good photos. What I'm going to do during the testing period is, of course, I need to test this in low light conditions. I'm going to take night shots. I'm going to take shots taken inside bars, inside the pubs. So that in order for me to know if there's any way that the cameras of the A50s have improved compared to the A50. The selfie camera, as you can see, the result of the photo is pretty okay as well. And generally speaking, the selfies I've taken with the A50 were pretty good as well. So I don't think I will have any complaints about the cameras of the A50s. But anyway, I'm going to test the phone for the rest of the week. And before I forget, there's a Samsung Galaxy A50, which I've already unboxed, by the way. Sorry, because due to technical difficulties, we couldn't record the actual unboxing. But this is the Samsung Galaxy A50. The reason why this came with the A50s package is because if you pre-order the Samsung Galaxy A50s at the Samsung Galaxy Experience stores here in the Philippines, until September 27, you'll be able to get a free Samsung Galaxy A50 right over here. So the SRP of the Samsung Galaxy A50s is 18,990. It's a very good phone for a very good price, high-end specs for a mid-range phone. This is why I like the Samsung Galaxy A50, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like the Samsung Galaxy A50s even more. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I'm sorry I've been gone for quite some time, but I'm back and I have a lot more videos to do for the next couple of months, and this will go on until Christmas time. So we're going to do a lot more videos and a lot more content. So that's it, and see you guys next time. Take care, guys.